profits today. Our market left us big clues right here. Very, very straightforward day. This was at 10:17 right here. This is a live analysis. Take a look at the timestamp. Now 10:17 was when we retested the 5-day moving average. So this was 10:17 a.m., right? 10:17. And just take a look at that. The time is here. Check it out. And at 10:17, we identified, very importantly, this pink algorithm right there. Now, this pink algorithm, as you can see, penny perfect right there, building liquidity with the exact same blue algorithm right there. Just take a look for yourself how the market grabbed the liquidity with the inverse right nested shoulder right there, giving us a beautiful trade afternoon. Very beautiful right there. And this was understanding, mostly importantly, this blue algorithm right there. Now, I talked about this blue algorithm here, and I actually warned you about it because I told you if we are grinding down the blue, you have to be very careful about the inverse head and shoulder pattern right there. And if there are more downsides, you have to wait for the blue to break. So understanding the blue was actually very, very important part of understanding this trade today. So this was a fantastic trade if you managed to catch it. Otherwise, don't worry. It's all about learning because you have a lifetime to find profits in the charts. The market is open every day. Don't be rushing, as I always advise you. Don't be rushing to trade. Spend more time focusing on learning, on studying. That's more important right there. So I will be having live stream training on Sunday, tentatively at about 1 or 2 p.m. Eastern time. So stay tuned if you want to join in with the live stream training. It's open for members only, but just for this Sunday, I will open up for you because I want to gradually return back to YouTube after some technical difficulties. And anyway, just another announcement that I will be raising rates for members, new members next week. So please, if you're looking for an opportunity to join the Discord, this is a good time for you to do so before this weekend. Please, if you're able to. If you're existing members, your rates will be grandfathered forever. So please do take the time after this Sunday. I will be starting to prune and going full force ahead, especially after taking a short break away because of some difficulties experienced in YouTube. So beautiful trade, isn't it? And I want to show you in the daily chart here, right? The bottom Bollinger, as I mentioned, it's quite straightforward, whatever you see today. We still have several levels to go, isn't it? We still have the 20-day moving average. You pay attention to that. And yesterday's video, please watch it later in the description, or something will pop up here at the end of the video. Click on that later, where I talked about the supply overhang, isn't it? And if you don't remember this, you have to wait for bottom Bollinger to catch up and start trending down if this wants to head down. You remember that, or I talked about that. Take your time, don't rush it yet, because the 5-day can still be building liquidity. So if this wants to head down, what you will see is 20-day obviously will turn into some sort of resistance. 5-day starts trending down. We trade below 5-day again. Bottom Bollinger trends down together with this, and you will see the supply overhang with the upper Bollinger trending down together as well. And obviously the 20-day will take time and trend down together. 20-day cannot cross the upper Bollinger because 20-day is mathematically right smack in the middle of the Bollinger Band. Right? So you have to understand that there's a certain math to this, so you have to learn as much as you can. Now we are going up. Well, obviously you have to first retest the 20-day moving average. 20-day has, well, you see, we could be soaking up sellers on that particular day, but take your time, let it retest the 20-day, and by then your 5-day will catch up very quickly if you're getting there. So what you want to see is 5-day reclaiming 20-day. You will see 5-day turning into support finally, because I want you to see that 5-day has been some sort of resistance for a good part of the last 2 weeks, including the 20-day. So if you want to see a stronger upsides here, 20-day breaking up with the 5-day breaking up above the 20-day, you see that we are building support of the 5-day moving average. Now, most importantly, you want to see the Bollingers that has been plateauing for a while. You want to see the Bollingers expanding. Right, in this case, expanding before it starts to go up like that. Before there is more upside, the 5-day and the Bollingers must continue to trend up in that way. Right, so there is a very, very tight range here. That is no, well, as I mentioned, that is no concern to us because we're able to find profits in the charts every single day, right? Yesterday, I also mentioned that there is a very key level here. If you wanted to see further down, you need to see the bottom Bollinger retested as well, right? So there is plenty of time for the market to continue to build liquidity on both sides. So this is quite important, right? Just be patient. We are in the very beautiful range here, right? And as I've shown you, you can be able to find profits in the charts every single day anyway, isn't it? Even if the market goes nowhere. So don't be trading direction, as I told you. Always be training your eyes, find profits in the charts. Join me for live stream this Sunday, right? I will be running a little training session for you. So keep it in your calendars. And obviously, thank you very much for watching. I may not be in the Discord tomorrow. We'll be preparing for the weekend. So if you're intending to join, I'll see you next week. But I may come in, and you never know. Right, let me see if I can finish my work. There are lots of work in the Discord that I wish to spend more time to do tomorrow. And more importantly, I want to pay close attention to, well, you see now that 5-day, 20-day, we may be pinned right in between. So it may be quite an inconsequential day tomorrow. So tomorrow, most importantly, when you take a look at a 30-minute chart, is if you want to see there's going to be continuation. Continuation in the green algorithm right here, closing cup in the 20-day moving average. You want to see more liquidity that's being built. There is a larger structure here. You want to see if this wants to break out, right? And if we lack that continuation, right, when we have 20-day, when we have 5-day, when we have the blue algorithms and the orange algorithms right here, that's pitting us within the range. This is where you try not to overtrade. If you can clearly see that the market wants to pin in the range, it's not unlikely because you notice during FOMC, it has killed off the top range as well as the bottom range, right? So just be a little bit more mindful. There could be some chop tomorrow if we do not have strong continuation. There are still some earnings that are yet to be reported at this point in time in the video. The major tech earnings, right? And part of why we had a rally as well is because of some good news with the PCE, as well as some nice tech earnings from Microsoft as well. Amazon as well as reporting. That's why we have some after hours rally right here. Nothing consequential because it's still within the range. So I'll see you closer to opening bell tomorrow. I think I'll report in the morning. Just get the algorithms ironed out. And you promise me you do not overtrade on a Friday, yeah?